Our traction transformers are powering trains since many decades. Traction transformers route power from overhead lines via pantograph to essential train functions like traction, lighting, heating and air conditioning, brakes, signaling, and communication. Traditional traction transformers are subject to substantial energy losses, which causes heating of internal windings. Transformer insulation liquid with dielectric properties is also useful to transfer the heat from the windings to an external cooling system. The heated liquid is pumped into a heat exchanger and cooled with air fans and passed back into the windings as a continuous cycle. Air fan-based cooling system needs additional power supply and regular maintenance, thus causing an increase in cost, failure rate, and energy consumption. Efficiency of traction transformer improved with the emergence of the new generation ones and resulted in lesser energy losses. With our Effilight family of traction transformers, energy losses are reduced by up to 50%, thus reducing dependence on air fan-based cooling system. There's a clear scope of replacing the traditional cooling system with a better alternative. After intense research and virtual simulation, it was confirmed that the natural airflow caused by the train's motion can be well utilized to replace the air fans of the cooling system without major modification of the heat exchanger technology. Moreover, real-world simulations in a wind tunnel with a prototype transformer also confirmed this. So, Hitachi Energy finally developed the Natural Cooling Effilight Traction Transformer, NCETT. Special heat exchanger that is exposed to natural airflow is attached to the transformer. Heated liquid pumped into the heat exchanger is cooled with natural air instead of fans and passed back inside, designed to work in both directions of the train's motion. The NCETT can be placed on roof of the train as well as underframe, keeping the internal windings cool without needing air fans in the cooling system. Natural Cooling Effilight Traction Transformer. Reduced ownership cost. Improved reliability. Reduced operating noise. Natural Cooling Effilight Traction Transformer. Yet another initiative by Hitachi Energy to support sustainable mobility.